Welcome back to part 2 of Manicuring and Pedicuring exam question with answer 31 to 60. The great toenail should be trimmed straight across and A. Rough edges should be removed from the nail bed with a solvent. B. Rough edges or hooks should be removed at the side wall with a nail rasp. C. None of the choices listed. D. Moisturized. Answer is B. Rough edges or hooks should be removed at the side wall with a nail rasp. Storing manicuring implements in an airtight container will A. Ensure they remain sterilized. B. Guarantee implements will never rust. C. Keep the implements from drying properly and can promote bacterial growth. D. Protect the implements from bacterial growth. Answer is C. Keep the implements from drying properly and can promote bacterial growth. Before actually cutting the toenail blank in order to gauge whether the cut is too deep or whether you could be cutting into living tissue. A. Press the clipper firmly against the tip of the toe. B. Have the client place the clipper in a comfortable position. C. Squeeze the clipper hard. D. Slightly squeeze the clipper. Answer is D. Slightly squeeze the clipper. A basic manicure pre-service includes which of the following? A. All of the choices listed. B. The client washes his/her hands with a liquid soap and dries hands with a clean towel. C. Removal of the client's jewelry. D. Pre-service sanitation. Answer is A. All of the choices listed. The cosmetic care of the feet and toenails is A. Onychology. B. Pedicuring. C. Pedicure. D. Podiatry. Answer is B. Pedicuring. When providing a pedicure, the client's foot should usually be held between your thumb and fingers at the A. Client's large toe. B. Client's heel. C. Arch of the client's foot. D. Mid-tarsal area of the client's foot. Answer is D. Mid-tarsal area of the client's foot. Creating a hairline tip where about 1/16 of an inch of polish is removed from the free edge helps. A. None of the choices listed. B. Prevent polish from chipping. C. Strengthen the nail. D. Reduce the chance of nail disease. Answer is B. Prevent polish from chipping. A pedicure pre-service includes, but is not limited to, which of the following? A. Pre-service sanitation, client consultation, and station setup. B. Clean and disinfect the pedicure basin. C. Removing existing polish and soaking the feet. D. Foot massage and removing cuticle tissue. Answer is A. Pre-service sanitation, client consultation, and station setup. Before immersing implements into the disinfectant solution. A. Sanitize, wash and rinse the implements. B. Smell the disinfectant to verify whether it is still active. C. Stir or shake the disinfectant to activate it. D. You only need to brush off debris from the implements. Answer is A. Sanitize, wash and rinse the implements. When filing the natural nail. A. Never file nails that have just soaked in water. B. Never saw back and forth with the abrasive board. C. Don't file into the corners of the natural nail. D. All of the choices listed. Answer is D. All of the choices listed. Nail polish should be applied. A. On the sides first. B. With light, sweeping strokes. C. Under an ultraviolet light. D. From the free edge to the base. Answer is B. With light, sweeping strokes. To create a narrow appearance on wide nails. A. File the nail walls. B. Apply a polish color one shade darker to the free edge. C. Trim the free edge flush with the fingertip. D. Leave a 1/16 of an inch margin on both sides of the nail plate. Answer is D. Leave a 1/16 of an inch margin on both sides of the nail plate. The nail shape that is slightly tapered extending only a little bit past the tip of the finger is known as A. Square nail. B. Round nail. C. Squoval nail. D. Pointed nail. Answer is B. Round nail. What is the difference between the French and the American polish application? A. Only the American manicure is allowed in the United States. B. The French manicure can be applied to longer nails than the American manicure. C. The French manicure has a more vivid white on the free edge than the American manicure. D. The American manicure requires less maintenance. Answer is C. The French manicure has a more vivid white on the free edge than the American manicure. Pedicuring is care of the feet, blank, and toenails. A. Toes. B. Skin. C. Fingernails. D. Metatarsals. Answer is A. Toes. During a pedicure soak, the water should not be warmer than A. 94 C. B. 104 F. C. 94 F. D. 104 C. Answer is B. 104 F. Lesser toenails should be trimmed. A. In an oval nail shape. B. Straight across. C. And then shaped into the squoval nail shape. D. With an electric file. Answer is B. Straight across. A pedicure service includes A. Exfoliating the skin. B. Foot massage. C. Trimming, shaping, and polishing toenails. D. All of the choices listed. Answer is A. Exfoliating the skin. The following is included in a basic manicure. A. All of the choices listed. B. Shape the nails using an abrasive board. C. Clean under the free edge. D. Clip away dead tags of skin with nippers. Answer is A. All of the choices listed. While filing the nails on the favored hand, place the fingertips of the non-favored hand in the finger bowl in order to A. Disinfect the non-favored hand. B. Sterilize the non-favored hand. C. Give the client something to do with the hand not being worked on. D. Soften the eponychium and cuticles. Answer is D. Soften the eponychium and cuticles. Enough polish should be on the end of the polish brush for one layer if A. There is a bead of polish on the end of the brush when it is applied. B. The entire brush is saturated with polish and dripping. C. Nail strengthener is added to the polish. D. You wipe excess polish against the bottle for 5 seconds first. Answer is A. There is a bead of polish on the end of the brush when it is applied. Which of the following is not used to apply nail oil? A. A nail brush. B. A cotton swab. C. A cotton-tipped wooden pusher. D. An eyedropper. Answer is A. A nail brush. A professional pedicure service should generally be performed A. Weekly. B. Monthly. C. Bi-monthly. D. Bi-weekly. Answer is B. Monthly. The blank is straight across without any rounding at the edges of the nail. A. Flat nail. B. Square nail. C. Diamond nail. D. Squoval nail. Answer is B. Square nail. The implement that involves using a scooping motion along the nail plate to remove loose debris during a pedicure is A. A nail brush. B. A curette. C. A spatula. D. An abrasive board. Answer is B. A curette. Buff the nail plate in order to remove A. Bacteria. B. Large debris. C. Natural oil. D. Dirt. Answer is C. Natural oil. Which of the following may be used during a full-service pedicure to care for the skin? A. A hot wax treatment or a skin mask. B. Exfoliating scrub. C. All of the choices listed. D. Smoothing thicker areas of callus with a foot paddle. Answer is C. All of the choices listed. Using a cuticle remover during a basic manicure will soften skin. A. For 1 week. B. By dissolving skin. C. By drying skin. D. For 1 month. Answer is B. By dissolving skin. Prior to applying polish during a manicure. A. Place client's hands under a UV lamp. B. Remove traces of oil and slash or lotion from the nail plate. C. Spray nails with speed dry. D. Apply top coat. Answer is B. Remove traces of oil and slash or lotion from the nail plate. Blank can cause split nails. A. Injury. B. All of the choices listed. C. Improper filing. D. Harsh chemical contact. Answer is B. All of the choices listed.